know the small devices from the mobile sector. For large daylight rooms, we need larger devices, and we'll take a look at that together. In this video, we will take a look at the Panasonic PT-MZ, a powerful daylight projector with 8200 ANSI lumens for bright environments. It comes with two other devices, the 782 and the 682, which each have slightly less light output. As usual, the new devices also come with plenty of connections. On one hand, we have 3 HDMI ports, allowing several devices to be connected. Then we have a digital ink connection, which is standard for Panasonic. This allows for audio and video transmission. Also typical for the MZ series from Panasonic are the interchangeable lenses. Here, everything is included from ultra-short throw to super telephoto. Additionally, the swap is very simple. The only thing to pay attention to is to slide the lens in straight and ensure that both red dots are aligned. Moreover, one must not forget to lock the lens at the top. As is typical for such installation projectors, the devices can of course be mounted on the ceiling, either with a ceiling bracket or into the ceiling with a ceiling lift, for example from Selexon. This function is also supported. Thus, the device can be installed at any angle. If you want to project onto a curved wall or a sphere, the geometric correction will assist you. You can set this internally in the projector or use external software. The MZ typically delivers Wuxka resolution, which is 1920 x 1200 pixels and supports K resolution in video signals. There are also several options for adjusting image brightness, such as daylight view, which can be set at various levels, including auto, where the projector automatically detects and adjusts the brightness in the room. The detail clarity processor ensures optimal sharpness and improved image depth by analyzing and optimizing each image and scene individually. This additionally supports a dynamic contrast of 3 million to 1. If a projection with multiple projectors is to be implemented to create a large overall image, the edge blending function is recommended. Thus, multiple images can be seamlessly stitched together at the edges using the brightness adjustment. For a suitable layout in video conferences, the MZ series also supports the 21:9 format and operates at a whisper-quiet 26 dB in eco mode during important meetings. Panasonic's solid shine laser light source has a lifespan of approximately hours. After that, it should be serviced once. Now, in 2021, we come to the topic of efficiency. The new MZ models offer an 8% increase in efficiency. This is due to the higher light output with lower power consumption. When the auto power on function is activated, the projector detects the video signal and wakes up from its power-saving mode. The sustainability concept is also continued in other parts of the device, for example, with the eco filters, which should be changed after approximately hours or can also be washed beforehand. Additionally, the device is made from 10% recycled materials. The MZ series is therefore bright, flexible, and sustainable. If you would like to learn more about the features, feel free to contact us personally or visit our website. Thank you, and see you next time.